Listen carefully. After that, you need to keep on repeating with me. So first of all, when we talk about spoken English language, we have seen that the first part that you should be developing, that is called word power. Now, what do you mean by word power? Any language we speak, we understand, we read, we write, we use words. What we use? Words. We use words. It simply means that if we know enough words in that language, we can speak that, we can understand, we can communicate, we can read, and we can write also that language. Did you understand? Yes. See, my dear students, I am trying to understand how many of you are good students, how many of you are curious students to learn, and how many of you are listening and understanding what is exactly happening over here. So first of all, try to understand and listen carefully these three main important things as we are discussing over here. After that, whatever I am saying, you need to respond it to me. So when we talk about spoken English language, there are three main things very, very important. What are they? Yeah, so first of all, word power. So what did I say about word power? Who can speak now? Who can respond me? What do you mean by word power? Anyone? The response is not good. I will give the feedback to your principal that the students are not good, because as we are saying that okay, this Alok Vidyalaya, Alok Bharati Senior Secondary Schools, you are good enough, but according to my observation, most of you are sitting without understanding. Yeah, speak.
Word power is
wait, where is the mic? Wait, speak. Yeah, speak loudly.
Word power is our actual strength to speak English.
Spoke कहाँ से आएगा? Spoke क्या है? What is spoke? है? Spoke क्या है बच्चों? आप लोगों को तो इंग्लिश में बहुत ही ढीले है. Spoke क्या है? ध्यान दो यहाँ पे. Speak. S-P-E-A-K. Speak बोलना. Spoke हुआ बोला. S-P-O-K-E. और spoken हुआ बोल चुका. Speak, spoke, spoken. Now what do you mean by spoke? Spoke means bola. I spoke, she spoke, he spoke, they spoke, you spoke. But it won't be coming spoke. Did you get it now? So English is not up to that level as it's supposed to be. Spoke कैसे आएगा वहाँ पे? खुद भी सोचो. It's the second form, right? Yes. I go to market, I went to market. Did you understand now?
Yes, sir.
So what do you mean by word power?
Word power is our actual strength to speak English.
टू बच्चे मैंने बोला ही नहीं ना, ये आप लोग ध्यान से सुन ही नहीं रहे हो. मैं बच्चों देख रहा हूँ आप लोगों को, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्लास है ये. Listen carefully. After that, try to speak. So when you listen carefully, so the chances are that you should not be mixing up what you want to speak in that. For example, as I said that, what do you mean by word power? Word power simply means that this is your actual strength in speaking English. What did I say?
Word power is our actual strength in speaking English.
Once again, speak loudly.
Word power is our actual strength in speaking English.
Once again.
Word power is our actual strength in speaking English.
Word power is our actual strength in speaking English. Speak.
Word power is our actual strength in speaking English.
Isn't it? Word power is our actual strength in speaking English. Speak.
Word power is our actual strength in speaking English.
Once again.
Word power is our actual strength in speaking English.
Speaking नहीं है. Word power is our actual strength in speaking English. Repeat.
Word power is our actual strength in speaking English.
Okay. So now who can repeat this line? Sit down. Now who is the class monitor here? Yes. Yes, you were handling? Okay, you speak now. What is word power?
Word power is speaking in English.
बाकी सब्जेक्ट में नहीं पता बच्चों कैसे है, लेकिन इंग्लिश में you have to improve. Listening and speaking. What is this? Listening and